Hey guys, happy Juneteenth for the community. All right. I wanted to create a follow-up video on this article I wrote because there's so much alpha in this article. And it's talking about how to profit off of mispricings of stock options. And the key concept in this article was volatility. Volatility is the reason why when you buy an options contract, even though it's pointing in the direction of where the stock is going, it's still unprofitable. Volatility is the reason why when you enter a forex trade, you experience so much drawdown. You're not keeping your eye on volatility. And that's a big no-no when it comes to quantitative hedge funds. They build programs like I'm going to show you right now, how to that utilize volatility and track it and make sure that they can actually implement it into their trading scripts. That is a subsector of programming called volatility trading. There's many people who trade specifically volatility when it comes to any market. Even in this example here, there's a podcast where there's a forex trader who specifically just trades that. And I'm going to show you the essential program that all of these hedge funds use to keep an eye on volatility. Now, if you want to see how we also can forecast volatility, go check on my YouTube for the Garch model. The Garch model was specifically created to forecast future volatility so that you can trade into that. So definitely go watch that.